Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I just wanted to show you guys how my curls look. All I have in there is my leave-in conditioner and I used Cantu moisturizing rinse out conditioner and I love it. Just look at those curls. I love it. Just look at that. Okay, today we'll be using straws. Yeah, just regular bendy straws and some rubber bands, and I'm just gonna show you how I did this technique. Just get a small section of hair, then what you want to do is put some gel on it. I just put gel all over the strand. I use some eco styling gel, and then get the straw. This is where the magic happens, baby. So you just want to wrap the hair all around the straw, just as I'm doing. Just wrap it around, and when you reach the end, you want to make sure it's secure on the straw. Then you want to bend the straw just to secure everything with a rubber band. So you see in the next clip, I'll cut off that last piece because my scissors was just too far. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the second time, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the front section too. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. These curls were popping. They were popping. I love them so much, so I thought I should share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoy the video. It did take me I would say a full morning. I did these around 10 on Sunday and I took them out on Monday morning, so I spent the night with them. These drawers are kind of comfortable. They're not like completely comfortable, but yeah, it's bearable. So yeah, I spent the whole night, the rest of the day and the whole night in them. So yeah, my hair was completely dry. I think that's the secret here. You have to make sure your hair is dry for those curls to. Okay, so I do want to mention that this was freshly washed hair and I just conditioned and oiled it. Then I started doing this.
Times I felt your spirit's conviction, but couldn't do nothing. I forgot that I'm forgiven. Went on with life, just condemning myself. My sin good like dust to a book on a shelf. Then you shouldn't live like this. Satan who used you to make you feel unfit of God's goodness and love, mercy covered in grace. And it said, get back up and finish your race. Cause you died for my sins, past, present, and future. There's no sin that's greater than forgiveness you offer.
Okay, so it's the next morning now. I'm just gonna grab my oil and just oil my hands so that I avoid any fuzz while doing this. So what you want to do is just remove the rubber bands and then just pull the straw out, and voila, look at that, look at that, look at that definition, look at those curls. I love them. Okay, so my neighbors are back. Please bear with me. You're gonna hear some background noise, but don't mind that. So okay, now what we want to do is separate those curls so that we have some volume. Yes, so what you want to do is just make sure you separate them where they naturally separate. Yeah, that's the secret, guys. So what you want to do is just separate, and then later on we're gonna get an afro comb and we're just gonna fluff it out just to give us more volume, and then style as you desire. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I sure enjoyed making this video, so let me know what you think down in the comment section. Please comment, like this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I make a lot of these hair videos if that's what you're interested in, and I make a lot of other videos, so stay tuned. I love you guys and thank you for your support. Mwah.
namonelo chankuba kumutima italo chana jane filamba chamfume ukwikala ukwabula mwena lubano source of light sonde umangelo banali yangwishe ubufwayo kwamubili evintu fiansa ngwishe nkumba bulili fyonseni mpata mukati nchili lonely umutima ochili ukabile nchende abaholi inchende ya mugengo ukochila goli die ukoba kwimbila lyonseka penape weshamo mutima efyakalene nemfisha iwe naine natombe mochipia.
You stay. It's been a while since I felt your presence. I can't deny I've been far from you. My God, please bring me back. Oh, nizibani malagwa ntine muntu naine ambuye nikwezeni kwa imwe. Ambuye nikwezeni kwa imwe. Take me home.
Many other times I felt your spirit's conviction, but couldn't do nothing. I forgot that I'm forgiven. Went on with life, just condemning myself. My sin good like dust to a book on a shelf. Then you shouldn't live like this. Satan who used you to make you feel unfit of God's goodness and love, mercy covered in grace. And he said, get back up and finish your race. Cause you died for my sins, past, present, and future. There's no sin that's greater than forgiveness you offer. You will also like me with every reason to slaughter. Help me fight my pride. Am I still like a soldier in your army, Lord? Take me back to your presence, Lord. I long to be in your presence one more time. Young Gav, Lutz.